Look at that, guys. I'm back. It's been quite some times that I wasn't able to upload videos in my YouTube channel, Organic Gardening with Filmer, but soon I'll be uploading them. Today, look at me. I'm very much excited. But before going farther to that, I have to tell you something, YouTube friends. That in gardening or in farming, the most laborious, tiring moment when you start planting your seeds, your plants, or any veggies that you have in your home or in your farm, in your garden areas. It's really tiring and sometimes discouraging when you see something like just a tiny progress of your plants. But tell you what, the most exciting and fascinating moment in gardening and in farming is during the time of harvest. And that is why I'm very much excited today because we've been living here in a rented place for like 1 year already, and this is the first banana plant that we're going to harvest today. So watch me as we're going to harvest our banana. Variety of this banana is Sabah or Cardava in our local dialect in Philippines. Most people from Mindanao, we call this one Cardava, but from people in Luzon, they call it Sabah, and even some other nationalities, Sabah. Maybe um, from Mindanao alone that we sometimes call that one Cardava. But anyway, just a trivia stuff, but let's go to what we are going to do right now to harvest our bananas. And actually, YouTube friends, there are still um, leaves that we need to cut first before cutting the trunk of this banana plant so that these leaves will not destroy other banana plants. So let's go. And since I am a short guy, I have to use some um, like chair here that would extend my height so that I can cut somewhere in between of this trunk, so we're in the middle of the trunk. Okay. And it's not that easy to remove the leaves, YouTube friends, because there are cassava plants that I planted in between the banana plants, because I just want to maximize the small space that we have here by putting some other plants that can be compatible with other plants like cassava. It's a though it's seasonal plant, but can survive some extreme condition, like they're under the banana plants, so that's okay. So you can combine that one with your banana plants. So that's why I'm trying to maximize here so that at least we have different crops and vegetables all together, and in an average space we can have a lot of food to harvest. So that's it, and let's continue cutting the leaves. Not wounding the weather here in Thailand right now, YouTube friends. It's really windy somewhere here in Tamai. So I have to be very careful. And I only use a knife because I gave it to someone else, the bolo that we have here. So now I am struggling a bit to cut this trunk. I'm not just ordinarily excited, YouTube friends, but I am extremely excited this afternoon. Look at that beside me. It's a big boy. So worth the effort, the time that I spend here in the garden watering almost every day, because this variety of banana really needs a lot of water. So you have to water down the soil, so it must be moisted every single day. So this banana needs a lot of water besides fertilizer, so that we can expect a harvest like this. So I'll show you in a more clear area right there in front of the house. YouTube friends, look at this. And this is organic grown bananas. I applied the fermented plant juice and fermented fruit juice, fertilizers that I also made personally from fermenting molasses and fruits together to have a final product of fermented fruit juice and fermenting molasses, and also green leafy vegetables, or FPJ. So that will be the final result of the liquid, which is fermented plant juice from the plants, green plants, fermented with molasses. So that's the two kinds of organic fertilizers I use to grow this big right here in front of you. So YouTube friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned. I'll be back with more wonderful content to share with you, and I hope you're also enjoying watching while I'll do the harvest this afternoon. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please do share if you think it's worth sharing. And if you are a comeback subscribers, thank you for stopping by and spending your time watching our videos. And I hope that you'll be enjoying your time, and always keep safe. Of course, I'm really speechless this afternoon, YouTube friends. I'm really happy to see the result of my labor, and I hope that this happiness can be spread all over the world by expressing myself how happy I am to this harvest. And it will be shared in a form of video in our YouTube channel, and I hope that this kind of happiness can also spread out all across the globe. And thank you for stopping by, and thank you for your contribution. And because of your presence, why this YouTube channel, Organic Gardening with Filmer, still exists. And that because of you, and that is because of your coming, that because of your presence. And thank you for doing that, and I hope that you will continue to stay with us in our journey to organic gardening. Thank you, and see you in the next time.